adding a window to your workspace in Blender, one way to do it is to go to the corner of an existing window. It could be here or here. You will see a cross sign, and then you just move the cross. Either you want to go have a slit in the vertical direction, so you move to the left, or in case you want your slit first of all, you have to see the cross. You want a horizontal one, you just move it down. Now another way you could do one is just when you see the cross, you just right click and you say I want a vertical slit, and then it will give you a line, a vertical line. Wherever you want it, you can place it there. You could have always chosen a horizontal slit as well. Now let's say you have a slit and you want to remove it. So one thing you can do is that you just go to where in the middle here, and you right click, and also you say you want join area. If you press join area, you see that there is a darker place and a lighter place depending on where your mouse is. If you want to maybe maintain the right one, then you would the darker place is what will be maintained, so you just choose that one and it will merge it to that one. Another way you could do it is just for example, I want to join this to this, so I go somewhere here, and then I move this, I pull it with my left mouse, I pull it to this side. So I took the edge here and then moved it up, and I release my hand, and then it joins it like this. I can also choose this here and then move it here. So I want this with my left mouse, click, and then it joins it, and you have one window or a window join. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, please help me as well by subscribing to my channel or giving me a like. Thank you. Bye.